As we all know, laser technology as a high-tech application is gradually changing every aspect of our lives. Suntop Laser, as an advanced manufacturer of laser equipment, our mission is to provide customers with cutting-edge, high-quality laser equipment and application solutions to our customers. Suntop Laser is a team of experienced and talented professionals. They are energetic young people and experienced veterans in the laser industry. In this team, innovation is our most important value. We always keep abreast of new technologies, new technology concerns, and apply them to our products and services. All of Suntop Laser's laser equipment undergoes rigorous quality control and testing to ensure that we are providing our customers with the most reliable, highest quality product. Whether you need a laser marking machine, laser welding machine, or laser cutting machine, we can provide you with customized solutions to meet your specific needs. Suntop Laser's team starts from design. High standards and strict requirements are adhered from research and development to production to ensure that each machine meets the highest level of performance standards. Currently, the company has more than 40 inventions and patents. All laser equipment has obtained EU CE certification and US FDA certification. All kinds of laser equipment have been shipped to more than 120 countries and regions in the world. At the same time, the company has also been awarded the honorary title of National High-Tech Enterprise. In addition to excellent products, we pay more attention to the cooperation relationship with customers. Our customer service team is always customer-centered, listening to customers' needs, answer questions in a timely manner, and provide professional technical support and training. We believe that only by working closely with our clients in order to truly fulfill our customers' expectations. If you are looking for a reliable laser equipment supplier, we invite you to work with us. Together with us, you will have access to state-of-the-art laser technology and comprehensive support. In the past, Suntop Laser has been a myth in the industry with faith and sweat. Now, Suntop Laser, with excellent quality, leading technology and professional services, have won the favor of domestic and foreign customers. With passion and vitality, the company has started to enter the global market. In the future, Suntop Laser will focus on integrating with international standards on a higher laser stage, toward becoming a respected and most pioneering leading laser equipment enterprise and bring the industry elite to the top of the world.